what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the Lasfit door seal protectors for the Tesla Model 3. These are available at Lasfit. I'll be dropping the direct affiliate link with my discount code so you guys can save some. But basically, these is to protect the door sills here. So as you know, this is a high traffic area when you get on and off. As you guys can see, I have some little scuff marks here, so this is very perfect to go ahead and protect these areas. So this would be the driver's side, and then you have for the rear. So there's a full kit for front and back, both sides, and that's it. So pretty straightforward, very easy to install. All you have to do is go ahead and clean the area with a microfiber towel. Preferably if you go ahead and use some alcohol pads to go ahead and clean the area, to just kind of remove any residue that you might have, any protectant that you might have applied or whatnot. So I went ahead and already cleaned this. Let's go ahead and apply this and show you how it looks. The next step you want to do is go ahead and identify the front and rear sides. What you want to do is go ahead and mock it up on the vehicle, and you'll be able to identify which one goes on the left and which one goes on the right sides. Then the one that's more straight, like this, or shaped straight, is the ones that go in the front, and the one that's oddly shaped like this one is for the rear sides. Same thing, just gotta go ahead and find which one's driver and passenger side, and you're good to go. Next, what we're gonna do is pre-remove these ribbons out of here after you have cleaned the area. So we can remove completely this one on the side. The one with the longer strip, we might just do half to give us enough leverage in case we need to reposition, take on and off, but it should be straightforward. We'll go ahead and take this off, and then this one here will go halfway. This one, they overlapped it, so just give me a few here. See, they overlapped this here, so it makes it a little difficult. There we go. So we'll take it halfway, and then when we're ready to press and hold, we'll go ahead and start removing the ribbon. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and position this way, so the 3M goes away, so towards the chair. Just go ahead and bring this ribbon over here. We're gonna go ahead and align the corners, which is right here. So they do recommend to do this part after. I find it much easier to go ahead and position it already, and start doing it with the rubber so that it goes in precisely already. Just my recommendation. And then once you have that positioned, you can start peeling and pressing. So I'm gonna do it now. Again, what they recommend is for you to put this side first and then kind of tuck over the rubber seals here. But I find it much easier doing that. And we'll go ahead and pull the ribbon out of here and then press. Finish the install. Have a nice finish, as you guys can see. So that's the front. We'll go ahead and tackle the rear. I'm going to move the camera just a little bit so you guys can see. There you go, that's the end. Let's go ahead and do the rear. Alright, so in the rear, I went ahead and already removed the sides. If you don't feel comfortable, the long ones, like I said, you can go ahead and go halfway. but I think it's pretty straightforward. So we'll go ahead. I might even just peel this last one too. And then same thing, you want to come down right here like so. And again, if you want to do it here first or after, totally optional. I just like doing this part first because that way I know that it's aligned perfectly. So go ahead and tuck this here. I think it just makes life much easier. Everything gets aligned. We'll press. Remember, you have here in the center, and then you have this one back here. Again, guys, don't forget to clean the area before applying this, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how that goes. Big difference there. So you guys can see, I also have their mats. So if you want those as well, they're available. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.